Hello everyone, this is Captain Van and welcome back to our workshop. For today's episode, we will discuss about Kreg jigs, and by the end of this video, you will learn about the importance of having a reliable jig, and we will dissect the basics of pocket hole joinery. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell icon for more videos in the future. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's fly into the world of Kreg jigs. Let's go! Let's start building. Kreg is a popular brand in woodworking community. Since 1986, Kreg Tools has become an international market leader in innovative woodworking products. It offers a variety of jigs that can make any difficult projects easy. I'm a fan of this product and you can find it in any corner of my workshop. It's got you covered from the versatile track horse, the mobile project center work tables, cabinet making jigs, to cutting solution guides, and of course, the main topic of this episode, the pocket hole jigs. The model that I have is the K5 Pocket Hole Master System. It is an older version, but it gets the job done. Here I will show you how to use the jig so that you can start building projects using pocket hole joinery. I mounted the jig to a stable platform and used the track horse as the base and secured it with clamps. This is the toggle handle. It is used to lock in the piece of your project as a clamping mechanism. It has an adjustable ratchet plate and release button that provides clamp assembly adjustments. The standard drill guide features the marks for positioning the guide for different workpiece thickness. It has 3 holes marked from A to C and strategically placed for different drill application. The stop collar setting block ensures proper positioning of the depth collar attached in the drill bit. It comes with a hex wrench to lock and release the collar. Kreg's step bit is used to drill pilot holes that forms a bearing shoulder for the screw head. The driver bit is used to drive in Kreg's square head pocket screws. This extension wings has dual purpose. It serves as a support for wide workpiece and at the same time provides storage for bits and accessories. And now I will show you how to use the jig. First, we measure the thickness of our workpiece. Using a caliper, we measured more than 14 millimeters. And then we cross-check on the chart provided, and our workpiece falls between 13 to 16 millimeters in material thickness. It requires us to use a 1-inch or 25 millimeter pocket screw. Let us now set the standard drill guide to 12 millimeter since we always go for the lower number from the thickness of our material. We determine the screw length of 1 inch from the stop collar setting block. Then we place the stop collar setting block on the jig base in front of the drill guide. Using the hex screw, release the stop collar. Slide the step bit into one of the drill guide bushings and drop the pilot tip into the hole in the block corresponds to the length of the screw you'll be using. Tighten the stop collar with the hex wrench. Install the step bit to your power drill and we are now set to drill pocket holes. Position the workpiece against the drill guide. Press and slide the clamp assembly forward until the pad contacts the workpiece while moving the toggle handle to the full down position. Holding the back of the ratchet release, you should hear at least 2 clicks while moving the toggle up before you lock the material in place. And now the fun part begins, drilling the pilot holes. In this example, we will try to make a drawer box using our jig. This is what a pocket hole looks like. We drill on both ends of our material and it is very important to strategically place your pocket holes before you start assembling. And now I will show you how easy it is to assemble a project with the help of Kreg jigs. I will use the Kreg right angle clamp as an extra hand in holding my workpiece together. Then I start placing the screw, and for some reason, I find it very relaxing doing this part of assembly. Maybe it's the sound of the screw locking the material together, or maybe it's just me enjoying the beauty of this mechanism. We replicate the procedure on all sides of the workpiece until we create a box. And there you have it! In a matter of minutes, we assembled a drawer that goes into your cabinet projects. This is just one of many builds that you can do with the pocket hole joinery. And Kreg even provides a solution to cover those pocket holes with plugs specifically designed to conceal those pocket holes. And you can just imagine the possibilities of builds that you can do with the help of these jigs. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced woodworker, what's important is that Kreg product solutions will help you make things stops easier. I hope you enjoyed this short episode, and let me know your thoughts about Kreg products at the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This has been your Captain, Van Ranoa. Stay safe and healthy everyone, and see you again in our future builds.